So what are we doing today, man?
All right, so today I have Sergio with me, and he actually came all the way down here to help me install the Acuity short shifter. I got the stage 3 package, courtesy of Powen. If you haven't seen his YouTube channel, you can see it right here. Really nice guy. Like I said, I got the full stage 3 kit, so I'll open it up and show you all the stuff I got, and the shift knob and everything.
Dan, they did a really good job packaging it, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So a bunch of little cool stuff.
Nice.
Shift linkage bushing upgrade. And a low profile shift knob. That's how the knob comes.
Nice. Black.
Yeah, I got black.
This kind of feels like Christmas, bro.
Yeah, that's a heavy knob.
That's what's up, dude.
That'll be sweet. Did you install your short shifter?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Okay.
Yeah.
So Sergio's familiar with... See, this is why I should just go full-time YouTube and just hire Sergio. I'd pay you well.
You pay me well.
I wouldn't pay you, like $30 an hour bullshit. I'd pay you well. Okay, we're here in the car, and Sergio has actually... He has experience with this before. So the first step is just going to be to pull down on this here.
Yeah. It's just the collar. The collar's clipped on there, so all I gotta do is kind of just hold it, and then you kind of just left it
going this way.
Yeah. There we go.
Cool.
Easy peasy.
Damn, that's a long travel.
There you go. And the reason for not using vice grip is because you can kind of like fuck up this right here, the grip. But you want to use a wrench for that.
So we can set these aside. Also, soon I am going to be ordering the OEM leather trim pieces from the touring model, because this stuff just looks terrible.
There you go. It's nice and gentle. Yeah, should be good, honestly.
I really wish I had that plastic tool. You want to work on that side? There you go.
Did you get it or no?
No, just tell me what you did.
So basically, this is basically right. It's kind of dug into the interior. So you gotta kind of like get the corner of it and just pry it, just leverage it upward, and it'll come out.
Cool.
That's what you
Sweet.
get.
All right, I'm just gonna put the camera here for a little bit while we do our thing. There. So next we need a Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna take these 2 bolts off. There's one on either side. Cool. This is what we're gonna do to prevent damage. Put it right there, and then put the screwdriver under it. Not the worst idea I've had.
The Beaner style, bro, but it works, man.
There you go. So now you can just Gorilla grab it and just yank it straight up, dude. Dude, everything's getting stuck right now, man. That's how this car is.
All right, still all in one piece. It's just everything is brand new and tight, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, you definitely have, so you have 2 hooks here.
Oh, okay.
And 2 hooks on this side as well, so.
Awesome. And then we have some electrical stuff to unhook.
Definitely on that side. Yeah, we definitely don't like fucking with electronics. There we go.
Just like that. There's one more on this side. It's a little blue one. There. Just like that. This comes out.
So far we've taken the shift knob, we've taken the trim off, and then we've taken off this center trim off. I'm unplugging the electronics.
So the next step is to unhook the climate controls. Sergio already got this side loose. All you do is just take a prying tool, get right in here, right after the gloss black, and just kind of give it a little nudge. Nothing too aggressive. And then we're gonna have stuff to unclip. Let me get up there. There we go.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Those are climate controls. I'm gonna put this in the back seat, actually. Next thing we're gonna do is take a Phillips, and we have 3 screws. One is here. Dude, what the hell? How long is this screw?
Long enough.
And a third one down here. take it off.
Yeah, we can take that off. You can take that off, yeah.
Just unhook this wire right here for your USB. Just set that aside. And then we have to set it in even gear. Oh, there's one more clip I missed. Right here. There's 4 clips down here.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, there's 3. It was just caught. Never mind. I'll believe that. I'll remove that.
Nice.
Sweet. Okay. So if you don't have a pick tool like us, open these things up here, grab both of them at the same time, and just give it a quick pull. For some reason, this one's having a hard time coming out, but this side came out, which you should then be able to. There. I guess that works.
So what's next? You gotta just disconnect this. Kind of just press down on the clip. Damn, bro, this car is kind of difficult, man.
Dude, I know, man. That's what I've been saying.
There we go.
Fuck, that's ridiculous.
Oh yeah, bottom. That's the bottom clip. There you go. You're right.
Cool. What's next? We have to remove these. Remember these little things from the door? Those stupid little clips?
So we're just gonna have to literally just fuck with it, huh? It's a light, actually.
Oh, no shit.
There we go.
Nice. So for this little thing right here, these are really annoying clips, but Sergio just manhandled it with 2 screwdrivers. He used one to pry it right here on the outside, and use the other one to stick it in there in between the black plastic and the white part, and then just push it down and it came right out. So next step is down in your center console. There's gonna be 2 bolts down there, 2 screws. Take those out.
That, bro, and then I think what's next is we have to kind of
pry this off. So you gotta push this forward. Oh shit, that's like coming out, man. Yeah, he did some more stuff. Oh, that's why we have to take these wires off. Alright. Okay, I'm recording. Alright, so now I think I have to get back there and take that crap off. We're almost done. We almost have the center console out. We have to pry apart this back side. Oh, okay, there we go. I was actually pressing down on, you want to get a little, there we go. That comes right out. And then this little electrical thing, you're gonna have to take this off. There we go. Slides right out. There we go. Cool. What else we gotta do up front, Sergio?
Nothing, we just gotta uplift it, and there's gonna be a sensor on the bottom.
Sensor?
Not a sensor, but a wire, electronic.
Oh, wire. Dude. Ugh. I really hope they make an SI hatch next generation. I would so get it.
Maybe, unless.
Oh, I see. We got a bunch of stuff down here. Oh, there we go. Cool, I got that one unhooked. What else is there?
That's it.
Nice. Dude.
Look at that, man.
Sweet.
That's a huge milestone. So basically this is what you should have once you have everything off. The center console, all these other trims, and make sure you guys have your bolts nice and organized. And let's get it going, baby.
Yo. The next step is to undo these 4 screws. 2 here, and there's 2 here.
And these are not actually really tight, so when we put them back on, we shouldn't like over tighten them, you know?
Oh yeah, I lied. So there's 6. So you have to take this bracket off first, and then there's the 4 screws holding in the actual shifter assembly. Cool.
So now is you take these off with a 10mm. I'm gonna mark these. I don't want to get it confused. That Evo 10, bro, top end is crazy.
The last run that we did when I was racing the Evo,
yeah.
Dude, that was such a good race. Oh my god, that was so good.
There we go, that's it.
Oh sweet, this is perfect. So for this right here, stick it in there, and then we have to try and turn it 90 degrees. You gotta grab close right here. You gotta grab like right here.
Remove the remaining wiring clips.
Okay, we'll do it with the wiring clips later.
There we go.
Oh shit, that shit broke.
Well, fuck it. Sweet. That's out. Oh yeah, dude. We're right here, man. All right. Next thing, guys, just remove all these darn clips. Pretty simple. You see a clip, you take it off. You gotta be shitting me, dude. Why is everything gotta be such a fucking hassle and a half with this car?
There we go. Woo! That's it, bro.
Fuck that shit, dude. There. This thing's finally out.
So this was the center. Remember this center?
Uh-huh.
This is on the side.
Yeah. Let's throw in the new one, man. I'll put them right here.
Is there a tool for these bolts? It's got alloys.
Oh, shit.
Do you have an alloy wrench?
Some sort of hex tool.
I wonder why the fuck these are alloy wrenches.
Yeah, I got some of these.
Oh, yeah.
Allen keys.
There you go. And so that goes underneath? Yeah, like that.
There.
Don't tighten it yet though, just kind of position it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for this here, it's like that.
You're not gonna put on your center console on today, bro.
No.
That's gonna be another, probably finish it up tomorrow.
Yeah, probably.
Because you're gonna have to test it out and see if it feels good or anything.
Gonna adjust it. All right, so we had to really focus to put this thing back together, but now we have to, like, I'm watching Powin's video and we need to like row through the gears and make sure we can get into everything before we take off, and I can't get into fifth.
I think this is what he was talking about here.
What do you mean?
Remember this right here?
What about it?
Where we need to adjust it, this bolt.
You think it's too tight? We just need to put it on the shift knob now.
Okay.
And then go for a drive, test it out. We probably have to adjust something because it's really stiff, which is cool. We get the knob back on and let's go try it out. Hopefully it goes in gear, man. Oh my God, that's so tight. Oh my God, that's really short, dude. Electric brake problem.
Oh yeah, we can.
Oh shit.
You wanna just,
How am I gonna get back into park? My climate controls are stuck on like barely any AC too. Keyless access system problem, that's not good either. Nope, it's the one down here. Other side, yep. Right? You push down to release it. There we go. All right. Let's try this out, man. That shifter is so tight. Because this is like, oh my God. What?
As long as you can get it in gear and you can go through all the shifts.
Oh my God.
Are you in second gear in it?
I was. Dude, that's really short. What the hell?
It's gonna be different for sure.
I think it's too short, man. What? That barely moves. Holy crap.
The bottom part is where we adjust the throw.
Holy
the bottom bolt?
crap. Yeah.
I think so, bro.
What? That's
Actually, we brought the tools with us, so we can probably stop and adjust it.
That's incredibly short, man. What? Okay, I need to get it on this row so I can at least get to fifth gear.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh my God, dude, it's barely moving. Yeah, it does. Fifth, sixth.
Oh shit, okay.
There they are. Dude, it's all within like that. It's crazy.
That is crazy, dude. Holy shit.
Okay, we are gonna have to, if it's like this, Vivian's not gonna get it.
Oh yeah.
Like, she's just not gonna understand.
Yeah,
because this is like, her first car was a 1999 Volkswagen Beetle 4-speed manual, and the shifts in that were probably so long, you know?
Yeah.
She just wouldn't get it if I tried to get her to drive this now. I'm stuck on sport mode too. So unfortunately, right after we started driving, my GoPro died. I ended up driving a little further down the street, and then we switched drivers. Sergio tried it out, and yeah, I mean, it's nice. Next video for this series for the Acuity shifter is going to be me just driving around town and adjusting it and figuring out what settings I like best. And then, of course, I will be using that in my next, race, and that'll be a lot of fun. I think my next race is going to be that 2009 WRX that you will see the review of either Friday or Saturday. That was amazing, and I'm in love with the WRXs. So anyway, thank you very much to Acuity and Powin. This video isn't really going to serve as, too thorough of an install video. That's not really what my channel is all about anyway. It's more of a vlog and just my take on things. So if you want a detailed install video, go watch Powin's video that I showed in the beginning of the video. But that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.